Let's go. Yo, what's up gameplayers and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be making a new face cam. Now you might know me for my normal face cam, either my square face cam or my circle face cam. Now today we are going to be making a new face cam like this. So today we are going to be doing this here to be making our new face cam. So first of all, what you would like to do is you go over to add. Go to image. Press OK whenever you're doing it. Either choose a name. Go to browse. You could do anything that you want to. Like these here. But you know, that's okay. First of all, we are going to be doing this here bit first because we need to do this here first. You want to make it a bit big, so then whenever you're making your face cam, then it goes around it. Go back over to image. Then you can do this here. Go down to your pictures and go over your screenshots. Go over to the screenshot you want to have as your background. Go over to filters. Press the plus. And then press image and mask blend. Or image mask and blend. What you want to do then is put the alpha mask, alpha channel. Then you want to press the plus again. Go over to the chroma key. And the similarity all the way down. Put the smoothness all the way down. Put the spill all the way down. And the opposite a tiny bit down so it has a bit of a shadow on it. Put the brightness down a little bit more too. And same with the gamma, only you don't want to put it much down. Then whenever you're done with that there, then you're not very done. I just left by accident. Then what you want to do is whenever you're going back into your image mask and blend, you want to go into the browse. Go into this PC, go into your downloads. Again, go into circle face cam, so then you make it circle. And then you can put your face cam on top of it. Make it small enough where it's the same size almost as the other circle, only you can still see it a little bit. Sometimes you can't do it, so sometimes you have to do it with the other wee one, like me. And sometimes this is how you'll have to do it. Now you see how cool this looks now? And then you have to go into the video capture device. This is me right now. Yeah. Then what you want to do then is you just put me in, or whoever. Press the plus again. And then what you want to do then is not color key, is to go into chroma key. You want to do is put your similarity on the 400. So then it's like this here. This is my background in real life. And yeah, you're not done just yet because look at this here now. Yeah, it's only my green screen that's happening. And it's a bit too big. So what we'll have to do then is we'll go to the image mask and blend. Then we'll go to browse again. Go to the circle face cam again. First of all, you need to go into alpha channel, so then it looks normal. Make it small enough so it fits into the green. It looks nice. You don't want anything sticking out. And then you have a good face cam. But if it doesn't look good enough for you and it looks a bit too big, all you have to do is make it a bit smaller. I have no idea what I just made smaller. It's okay. Yeah. That's not even it. Then get your face cam again. Make it a wee bit smaller again. And then you'll just have to delete your voice. But I'm not going to delete it because I need that. And then you have a nice face cam with your background here, with your little border down here, and then you. This is my tutorial, my first ever tutorial video. I really hope you enjoyed. Also, make sure to like, subscribe, get me to 60 subscribers, get me to 200 likes. Also, if you haven't learned, press that bell so don't miss out on another video I make scrap mechanic videos. I make so much videos. I do reaction videos, I do game videos, I do vlogs. I do everything. I play tracks, the train set game. I play trail makers, I play scrap mechanic, I play main assembly. I play so much. I play Roblox. I even make Roblox games. I make so much videos. So if you want to see any more of them, just let me know what to play in the comments. I'll make sure to turn them on. And also comment down below what your favourite part was of this. So then I can do more reaction videos with that good idea in my head, instead of me making the video being like, what do I do? Okay, so yeah. And I'll see you again in the next time. Goodbye. Bye bye.